Hey guys, today I'm checking out this 32-inch computer desk I received for review purpose. It's a really nice set because it comes really well protected and you got the instructions which are quite simple and it's gonna be a simple installation, which I think that it's really nice. It comes really clear instructions. All the pieces comes really well protected and we get also all the hardware that we are gonna need to do this proper installation, which I think that it's great. All the pieces also are easy to identify, making the proper assembly process quite easy. And as you can see, it has this black color, which I think that it's nice, but you can get it on different designs, making it a really versatile option to place it wherever you need it. As it is designed for small places, but it has really big functions. It can fit perfectly in any kind of bedroom, apartment, or even in your home office. And I think that this is a nice option because it features a sturdy monitor stand that supports up to a monitor, enhancing visibility and ergonomic comfort for your workspace. And the desk is quite quick to assemble. As I've said, each of the pieces are clearly identifiable and all the necessary tools that we're going to need to do this assembly are included in the aerial back. Plus, you can also just follow along with a detailed installation video on the product page or just scan the QR code on the packaging, making it a really nice option to just get it ready. You can easily finish assembling it under 15 minutes and it's quite easy. The monitor stand can help you elevate your screen for a more comfortable posture in a more clean and ergonomic setup. A convenient side hook even lets you hang up your headphones, your backpack, or any kind of accessories that you want, keeping your workspace all organized and clutter-free. And with the different color options, it's really easy to find one that can complement your space, ranging from a warm oak to the classic black as this one is. It lets you express your personal style while keeping things simple. The desk X-shaped metal back brace gives it impressive stability and strength, preventing any kind of wobble during long hours of typing, studying, or even gaming. And the sturdy metal frame and the durable tabletop creates a reliable foundation for any kind of desk. And honestly, for something this compact, it feels really solid. No shaking even when I'm getting ready with my setup. And as small doesn't mean limited, this desk can adapt effortlessly to your style. As I've said, it can be perfect for a home office workstation, your kids' study desk, or just a minimal gaming setup. It's honestly the perfect size for small rooms, as it is big enough to get all your things done, but it's small enough to not crowd over your space. And as you can see, right here at my office, I have a little bit of stuff and I have still plenty of space under the monitor stand so I can place all my things, albeit a console or wherever I need. And I used to work with a laptop, so I have a space in here. I can even have my backpack that I use daily and still have plenty of space, plenty of leg space, so it's more comfortable. I think that it has a perfect height and I can be working really nicely and doing any kind of homework, tasks that I need to do in here at my office. And overall, I think this is a really nice option. I think that it's a really versatile one and I will really recommend it. See you guys.